Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to lock apps on iPhone with Face ID. So guys, if you want to lock apps on your iPhone using Face ID, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, as you can see this, I have locked my photos and it will be opened with my Face ID. Now here I will show you how can you do this too. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then tap on general and then tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version. Then go back and I'll tap on screen time and scroll it below and tap on content and privacy restrictions and turn on the toggle for content and privacy restrictions from here, and then go back to your home screen. And now you have to simply press and hold any app to lock it. So guys, here I am locking my YouTube. Here you can see this, simply press and hold YouTube, and here you have to simply tap on require Face ID and then tap on require Face ID from here. And now whenever you try to open your YouTube, it will ask for the Face ID. So guys, here you can see this, it is asking for Face ID. So guys, in this way you can lock your apps on iPhone with Face ID. So guys, you can see this. So guys, this is the way which you can follow to lock your apps with Face ID on iPhone. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.